Today, we're diving into creative DIY PVC pipe tower planners that will maximize your growing space and add a unique touch to your garden. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out our gardening supplies recommendations in the description below. Let's transform those ordinary PVC pipes into extraordinary vertical gardens. Our first design is the classic vertical tower. This simple yet effective design features a single tall PVC pipe with multiple planting holes arranged in a spiral pattern. You'll want to use a 6-inch diameter PVC pipe about 4 to 5 feet tall with staggered 2-inch holes drilled in a spiral pattern. Include a small drainage reservoir at the bottom and a simple base for stability. This tower is perfect for sunny patios, balconies, or against fence lines where space is limited. Position it where it gets at least 6 hours of sunlight daily for the best growth results. Next up is the Cascading multi-tier tower. This eye-catching design uses different pipe diameters stacked to create a waterfall effect. You'll need 3 different diameter pipes, 8-inch, 6-inch, and 4-inch. Make each tier shorter than the one below, with wide planting areas at the top of each tier, and add decorative rock covering between tiers. This works beautifully as a centerpiece in a garden bed or as a statement piece near entrances. The tiered design allows water to flow naturally downward, making it perfect for trailing plants like strawberries or ivy. The third design is the Honeycomb Wall. This modular design uses multiple shorter PVC pipe sections arranged in a honeycomb pattern. You'll need multiple 4-inch diameter PVC pipes cut to 8-inch lengths, arranged and connected in a honeycomb pattern. Each pipe serves as an individual planter, and the design can be expanded horizontally or vertically. Mount this on a sunny wall or fence for a living wall effect. It works great for herb gardens in kitchen areas or for adding greenery to blank walls. For our fourth idea, consider the hydroponic A-frame tower. This innovative design incorporates simple hydroponics for faster growth and water efficiency. Use 2 4-inch diameter pipes arranged in an A-frame with holes drilled on alternate sides. Add a small pump system to circulate nutrient water and include transparent sections to observe water levels. This tower is best positioned where electrical outlets are accessible. It works well in greenhouse settings or covered patios where the pump system can be protected from extreme weather. The fifth design is the Serpentine garden divider. This winding horizontal design serves as both planter and garden divider. Use a 6-inch diameter pipe laid horizontally in an S-curve with the top section cut away lengthwise to create a trough. Add decorative caps at each end and paint the exterior to match your garden theme. This is perfect for dividing garden sections or creating borders between lawns and planting areas. It creates an interesting visual flow through the garden while providing planting space. Our sixth design is the tree branch inspired tower. This natural-looking design mimics the appearance of a tree with branches. Use a central 8-inch diameter vertical pipe as the trunk, with multiple smaller 2-inch pipes extending outward as branches. Each branch ends with a small planting pocket, and you can apply a natural-looking bark texture to the exterior. Position this as a standalone feature in larger gardens or yards. The branch design allows for proper airflow between plants and creates a natural sculpture effect. For design number 7, we have the rolling portable garden. This tower design is mounted on wheels for mobility. Use a 6-inch diameter vertical pipe with planting holes on a heavy-duty base with locking casters. Include an integrated water reservoir at the bottom and a handle for easy movement. This design is ideal for adjusting to seasonal sun patterns or moving indoors during harsh weather. It's perfect for apartments or rental homes where permanent installations aren't possible. Our 8th design is the Zigzag staircase tower. This unique design resembles a staircase that maximizes sun exposure. Use multiple connected shorter pipe sections arranged in a zigzag pattern, with each section slightly offset to create a stair effect. Include planting areas at each step and reinforce connection points for stability. This works well against walls where the zigzag pattern can catch varying angles of sunlight throughout the day. The design naturally creates different microclimates for various plant needs. For our 9th idea, consider the multi-purpose storage tower. This clever design combines vertical planting with garden tool storage. Use a central 8-inch pipe for planting with attached 3-inch pipes as tool holders. Include a hidden compartment for gardening supplies and color code sections for organization. Position this near garden work areas or potting stations where tools are frequently used. The combination of plants and practicality makes this a perfect addition to working garden spaces. Our final design is the Rainfall Catchment Tower. This eco-friendly design captures and utilizes rainwater. Include a wide funnel top to capture rainwater, an internal filtration system, multiple planting holes along the vertical pipe, and an overflow spout at the bottom for excess water. Position this under roof eaves or gutter downspouts to maximize water collection. It works perfectly in areas with regular rainfall patterns or where water conservation is important. For any of these designs, remember these key points. Always use UV-resistant PVC for outdoor applications. Ensure proper drainage to prevent root rot. Consider the mature size of plants when spacing holes. Use food-safe PVC if growing edibles. And add a water reservoir at the bottom to reduce watering frequency. The best plants for PVC towers include herbs like basil, mint, and thyme, strawberries and small fruiting plants, leafy greens including lettuce and spinach, trailing flowers like petunias and lobelia, and shallow-rooted vegetables such as radishes. Keep your tower garden thriving with these simple practices. Check moisture levels regularly as vertical gardens can dry quickly. Fertilize more frequently as nutrients may wash through faster. Rotate the tower occasionally if plants are receiving uneven sunlight. Clean planting holes between seasons to prevent disease. And consider installing a simple drip irrigation system for consistent watering. There you have it, 10 innovative PVC pipe tower planter designs that combine functionality, style, and space efficiency. Whether you're gardening in a small apartment or looking to add a unique feature to your yard, these towers offer versatile solutions for any space. If you've enjoyed this video and want more gardening inspiration, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to check out our recommended supplies in the description below. Drop a comment letting us know which design you're planning to try first. Until next time, happy gardening, and remember, grow up, not out.